Last call for red 5 and blue 18. I can see them coming.
Do we go down here for blue 18?
You can.
Hey guys, for this vlog I booked a excursion. It's a boat tour. We're gonna be going down the Chagres River from the Gamboa Rainforest Reserve in the middle of Panama. Caribbean Princess cruise ship is docked or anchored in Gatun Lake, and we took a tender boat to shore. Once we got on shore, we took about a 90-minute bus ride from that area to the Gamboa Rainforest Reserve, and they had a small marina there where we got on a maybe about 10 of us to a boat. Then once we got on those boats, they took us around on the Chagres River to different sites to see howler monkeys, capuchin monkeys, and Geoffroy tamarin monkeys, and different wildlife like iguanas, bats, etc. Well, check it out, and here's our day.
$2 million. The difference, for example, is good for our country, and the #1 experience in the red site 1, 2, 3 pool. The 3 pool for recycle the water and the expansion of Panama Canal. It's different.
We're going over the locks.
At the middle of the new chamber at Panama Canal. You was here in the morning.
There's the camp.
Yes. Open the door. Many containers, huh? My nickname for them is the Friends Canal, because it's the first area that they was there, called the 3 section. I say Friends Canal, little bit. In the morning is the Pacific to Caribbean. In the afternoon, Caribbean. Between 10 a.m. until 4 o'clock p.m. is visible the switch ocean to ocean, and also Panama Canal work 24 hours. Only close the canal 2 times the history. In the Second World War and in the invasion U.S. to Panama 1989. The relation of the Gatun, in Spanish, cat, big cat, Gatun, big cat. But years ago, a lot of people find jaguars, puma. Now, only visible ocelot. Oh, by that. We have survived Panama, but we pay the geisha coffee. And now, welcome to Panama City, Panama Province, Panama Capital. We say the same numbers, different names. And for us, it's the same. Panama City, Panama Capital, Panama Province. It's the same for us. Okay? The place is very important for jungle training school of Americans. They don't know in which place of the earth they fell, and they need to prepare for everything. Bridge the
Here at the boat portion of this wildlife tour, in the bus for like 90 minutes or 2 hours or so. We're more than halfway over towards Panama City. Panama City is more on the west coast, whereas the Gatun locks were on the east coast. And yeah, this is like the Gamboa Wildlife Reserve or Natural Park or whatnot. Yep, we're about to board the boat.
Making it just barely. Yeah, exactly. Wow. Is this high tide? What's the high tide?
artificial Gatun Lake, okay? Over there, Chagres River, and now welcome to Panama Canal. We are in the middle of the canal, 40 kilometers in the left, Pacific Ocean. In the right, 40 kilometers, that is. Here is exactly the middle of the canal. Welcome everyone. Cerca, it's near howler monkey. Only one.
There he goes.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's cute. Oh, that's amazing.
Oh, wait.
When we look in the animal, also I look in the tree, or the species of the tree, espérate. And the other one is different. The white-faced capuchin monkey is the monkey that they can eat everything. The white-faced capuchin monkey, they are omnivorous. They can eat baby crocodile, baby iguana, lizard, snake, they eat everything. Okay? The white-face, they can eat also fruit. But I prefer maintaining the distance because, well, sometimes when a lot of people, sometimes people is coming and feeding, no? But it's when they don't have the guide, they don't know the experience. But the white-faced capuchin monkey, they are very, very smart monkey. When I find only one, no, it's normally, probably somebody rescue the animal, probably stay in the water, and keep here. But
can't see them now.
that's no, it's normally because they are visible in groups. They look cute, but
Very vicious.
they look cute, but sometimes the people try and touch the monkey. I know it's a good idea.
Well, at least
Like the fried chicken.
Crocodile catches
They,
those.
they eat baby crocodile.
Oh, they eat
the
them.
monkeys eat them.
The monkey. Only this species.
Wow.
Only this species. White-faced capuchin monkey eat everything.
Everything. Wow.
Baby iguana, lizard, fish, snail, everything.
That's great.
The howlers only live insects, probably sometimes. But Geoffroy tamarin monkey, other species that is very small,
Oh, there he
fruit
is.
and a small insect.
he's looking for something to eat. Obviously.
Yeah, because here they eat a snail. The snail that we have here in the lake, no, is native.
Yeah. Oh, now we're really up there, see?
Look at that. He's posing. He's a poser.
Comete tu insecto, mejor. Oops.
He's eating something.
I just got showed 20 pictures of everything.
They eat everything. Hasta que nos caiga el agua. And they are very smart.
That tree where we said.
Guys behind us in the boat here and saying annoying. She was sick. It's the one that's the first one I seen on the bus. I actually saw these big brown ones in the trees.
Oh, yeah. What is that thing? Oh, iguana. Up on the tree. Big iguana. Right on the tree.
Oh, yeah. Tira para atrás para que vean cómo están bajando. Tira para atrás.
Here they come.
Oh, the family is coming.
There's a whole bunch.
Remain, please. If they jump in the boat, don't touch the monkey and don't show the teeth.
Right in front of us. No le dejes ese limón porque se van ahí.
Vamos.
Sí. Tú le das el limón, una vez se van y no regresan más.
No, por ahí, mira, ahí vienen varios. Nada más le voy a dar a uno. No, deja que bajen. Mira la hembra.
Dile a la señora que le dé pedacito de guineo para que se lo metan en el bote acá, que te lo enseñe.
No, no. Oh, the female. Ya tuvo bebé.
Oh, she's right on this tree right here. Right in front of you. Yeah, I can't see her. She's on top of the road.
She's right here.
We're doing it fast.
Oh. Banana.
That was great.
Dile que le dé pedacito de guineo.
Un pedacito.
Can I give him a piece of the banana?
Yeah, a piece of the banana.
Little piece.
¿Qué
Ya.
le dice?
Nada más le doy un pedacito. Yo guardé el más. Oh, little baby. Little piece. Little piece of the banana. You want little piece. And the baby?
Oh my God, they're adorable.
Yes, yes.
Oh, that's great. That was great. I must have got that picture. Oh, we'll go here.
There he is.
¿Te estás bañando y shower?
You never know where they're going to turn
Yeah.
up.
You can see, and the roof. Shower with
That is
lemon.
hilarious. Oh my God, how adorable.
Are you sure?
It's taking a bath with the lime.
Oh, it's hilarious.
He's using the lime, he's rubbing it all over his body.
Oh, that's funny. He's throwing it out.
One right behind you, buddy.
There's one right there. Yeah, there's a big one right there.
Well, that's the male.
Yes,
That's me.
he's the alpha male.
He's the alpha male.
Bye.
Taking him away. Wow,
He's
he's
the
a
boss.
big boy.
He's the boss.
Look at this one. Look, the whole orange. Oh my God.
Oh, that one had a whole orange or something.
Ya. Tenemos una hembrita, Gina.
He's the one who got the lime all over him. See, he was rubbing the lime all over his body.
Oh, yeah.
Here's food in his hand. He got some action going on.
One's up there.
He's definitely a man.
Top of the boat. Look at them up there. They're all over the place.
You know, these guys got food now.
The whole orange.
There is a younger small one there.
No more. No more.
We're all out of lemons, buddy.
No tengo más limón. Hueles. No tengo más limón, mi amor.
Nobody has any food?
Better watch. You may be taking the camera, take pictures of you.
He might take my camera. That'd be bad.
Big iguana, huh? It's a male iguana.
Now, you know
One is male.
he's big.
Long crest. A long crest. And looks beautiful colors. The green iguana female all the time is green. All gray head. The male, they lose orange, yellows, greens. And they are beautiful.
Yeah, I know. The men are always. He's got a long tail.
Oh, here.
He's got a long tail.
Squeeze over. If I can get it. It's hard to find it.
Well, it's a good thing, Jasmine, there's no howlers around. They'd probably be eating him for lunch.
Wow, it's a big dinosaur.
I know. I'm glad I saw him. I can spot things.
And also, now we show you the little species of the bat fruit.
There.
In Panama, we have more than 100 species of bats.
So they eat all mosquitoes. So
That one, yes.
Yeah, I see
They
them
can
there,
use mosquito, they can use it.
No, bats.
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 You see them?
Yeah.
Where the green light is?
Yeah.
Those are all bats.
They're little.
I don't remember the name, but it's that with the wine nose bat, but no grow more. That's so tiny. Yes.
Still a bird in my eye.
Ay, se está moviendo. We have a lot of species of the ficus tree. They grow 40 meters.
Oh, yeah. It's got antlers.
Allá arriba hay un de avispa. Allá arriba. Vale, para ver si se pueden ver los pajaritos esos chiquititos. Hay varios colores.
Getting a quick picture.
Hay verde, azul, amarillo. Bird watching. And the female is green. The male is blue. Remain something. And the animals and the bird and the butterflies, the male are beautiful. In the humans, we are.
They do that so they can hide in the nest, the females.
Oh, they.
Oh, yeah.
It's beautiful. Yes, it's visible on the banana tree. It's visible the couples, eh? Green and blue.
Yeah. Oh, you can see them
And
right
the
through
blue
there.
Dagny. Oh, one blue Dagny and two females.
Yeah.
Look
Lucky
at that.
dude.
There's another.
Oye, tiene dos hembras y un macho.
No, he flew away.
Mira, un macho y dos hembras. Oil. Yes, bulb oil. And the grass that lose the vine or lose. Only you say bye bye. You don't have question for them. You are poison or no poison?
Small ones. Fowler's got another one on there.
I have bread.
No, they won't eat bread.
No.
What about lettuce?
More coming.
Oh, wait, lettuce.
They whistling sound. They are so shy, okay? They are shy. But they know that a lot of people is coming and we call like
Do they
this.
like lettuce or tomato?
The whistling sound.
A monkey pug.
So cute with the tail. It's different with the other species of monkey. Where is Gina? Come on.
Do they like tomatoes? I have tomato in my sandwich.
A ver si tengo señal aquí.
They look like a pug.
He went only weigh 1 pound.
Oh, he's very tiny.
You hear?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Right
both on the
bow.
hook, very tip of the boat. I know.
Oh, the banana. He's got
They have
banana.
food, that's why.
No, Christmas no. Acuérdate que él trabaja con la National. Él trabaja con Gio. Él trabaja con la National. Yo sé.
They're
See?
like right on the boat, like
No.
back where the people are.
Porque ve la
Yeah,
distancia.
they're just coming back.
They survive for themselves.
Good balance.
Half a baby
They need survive for themselves.
they share
I had a friend that was in Costa Rica and he put his backpack
and
down
also
to
they
camera.
help
Other ones just
share the
stick
baby.
them back.
Baby howler monkey.
Ay, cosito.
That's a big one.
¿Ah? Hay uno más cerca. Ay, ahí arriba hay otro.
There's another one over there. There's one over there. Oh, there's two up on the top.
Más hembras.
Up in the top right.
Yep.
Hanging by his tail.
There's two up in the top right.
Puras hembras, José. No veo, parece. Allá arriba hay unas ay, tienen crías, tienen babies. Okay. When the baby stay with mommy in the front, 0 until 3 months.
Oh.
And the back, 4-6 months. When the baby is alone, 7 months.
Oh, there's 3 of them up there.
And is stayed for he needs survive. Okay, you can do it. You can survive. But the difference if one and we have in Darien in the front with Colombia
There's one over there.
other species, a spider monkey and a squirrel monkey, but
One
here no
that's
is
jumped
visible
into the
spider.
tree. See him? Right there, guys, on your side.
Yeah, there's lots of them there.
Yeah, there's a lot of them. Yeah, they're all over the place. I heard you get a picture
And
of
you
them.
can see
They're so
that they
small.
eat only leaf.
Oh, there's another one in the
Only
tree.
leaf.
Oh, that one, yeah, right there.
There's a couple of them.
This one pretty close. Let me see that.
There's some down there. What's it called? Like an egret?
Snail kite. It's a hawk family. Snail kite. And it's female. The male is black and red eyes.
Is that a type of?
Yeah, I got him that time.
Oh, there he is.
Got him real
Would
good.
they eat the monkeys?
No,
No?
no. Eagle, osprey, hawk. y eso. Loro is a parrot. Only one parrot.
Oh, I hear it something. Oh, it's another white face monkey.
Capuchin.
There's one up there.
One there.
Oh. Exacto, cimarrone, exacto. He says cimarrón because the behavior of this group of the white face is different.
Real.